Emva kohambo lwakhe uKhuzani lube yimpumelelo, lapho kade eyomukela khona i-award yakhe e-USA, bese kuba ne-article laphana online efunda kanje. Khuzani Mpungose wins his first international award. Lokho kwenzeke kuphi? E-Los Angeles, USA, nge-1 November 2025. Udaba lufunda kanje. The Hollywood and African prestigious awards, Harper Awards, officially announced the first batch of winners, and South African Maskandi superstar Khuzani Mpungose proudly took his first ever international award in Los Angeles, USA. Khuzani, who has become one of the most celebrated figures in African traditional music, was nominated in two major categories: Best Independent Artist African, Best Male Artist African. The first category was announced today and Khuzani emerged victorious, marking the major milestone in his already illustrious career. The second category will be revealed during the main award ceremony on Sunday, 2 November 2025. For now, the Maskandi King celebrates this incredible achievement, his first ever international win, as fans around the world await the next announcement. This triumph represents not only Khuzani's personal success, but also proud moment for South Africa and for the entire Idlamlenze family. This award means the world to me. It shows that Maskandi can go globally. I dedicate this win to my supporters, my country, and everyone who believes in African music, said Khuzani moments after receiving the award on stage. Yes, iba kanjalo-ke Idlamlenze ibonga kahle kakhulu laphana ngokuthi iphumelele ekunini award. Abakuvezayo ukuthi-ke bekuwubusuku bokuqala-ke lobo bokuthi kumukiswa ama-awards. Kusazoba no-day 2, okuzi-2 zika-November. Sizobona ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Uma kukhona okuripothekayo sizobuya sizonitshela-ke, sinazise-ke ukuthi kuhambe kanjani. Kodwa lokho kade bekuveze bekuwubusuku bokuqala-ke. Sibonge-ke ithuba-ke nanokuthi-ke kube ne-article enjengale ebhaliwe ngoKhuzani okukhombisayo ukuthi into abeyiyele phesheya ikhona. Kodwa-ke sisazozwa ukuthi-ke kuhambe kanjani-ke ngo-day 2, lapho kuzobe kuyi-main event, lapho kuzobe kukhona bonke ade bengekho ku-night 1. Night 2 kuthembisa ukuthi kuzobe hlukahlosile. Sibonge ithuba soduba nokuzayo, ngiyabonga. Nisale kahle.